Discover 10 Amazon kitchen gadgets that transform mess into culinary magic. No failures, just amazement. This video is part 4 of our kitchen gadget series. After watching, be sure to check out part 1, 2, and 3 in the description below. Fullstar Cinnamon Roller. The Fullstar is a small handheld stainless steel device with a sharp rolling blade and comfortable grip to curl cinnamon sticks into graceful spirals, perfect for decorating cocktails, desserts, and coffees to boost visual appeal. It costs about $12, giving professional level presentation with easy dishwasher cleaning and compact storage. Joseph Nest Utensils Plus. The Joseph Plus offers a set of snap-together tools with silicone tips. It includes a spatula, spoon, and slotted spoon. These tools can withstand heat up to 480 Fahrenheit and come color-coded to maintain hygiene when you stir and serve food. You can buy this set for about $23. It stands out because it saves space, has tough non-stick surfaces, and lets you use it with one hand without making a mess. The first 2 gadgets helps you save space in the kitchen. But hold on until you see the upcoming gadgets dressing maker that mixes by itself. OXO Good Grip Salad Dressing Shaker. The OXO helps you make homemade vinaigrettes and sauces. This 14-ounce glass bottle doesn't leak and contains no bisphenol A. It has markings to measure ingredients, a wide opening to mix, and a cap that seals tight. You can create precise dressings with this tool. You can buy this shaker for about $13. It gives you the same amount each time, lets you shake and store, and pours without making a mess because of its strong build. Lodge Cast Iron Cornstick Pan. The Lodge makes small cornbread sticks. It has 7 spaces for the sticks and comes ready to use. The pan has handles on both sides, doesn't stick, and can go in the oven up to 500 Fahrenheit. It's great to make southern side dishes, muffins, and snacks. Costing around $24, this product offers long-lasting quality, spreads heat, and works well for both bread and vegetables. Which kitchen gadget do you prefer? The OXO Good Grip Salad Dressing Shaker or the Lodge Cast Iron Cornstick Pan? Let us know in the comments. Zulay Kitchen Heavy Duty Lemon Squeezer. The Zulay is an aluminum hand-operated citrus press for lemons, limes, and oranges. It has a bowl with holes to catch seeds and pulp. Comes with a 5-year warranty, and you can hang it up for storage. This tool is great to use when making cocktails, marinades, and dressings. Costing around $9, this tool gets the most juice out while you work less. It won't rust, lasts long, and feels good in your hand for easy squeezing. Rosle Garlic Press. The Rosle is a stainless steel gadget with holes and a built-in scraper. You can put it in the dishwasher, it presses, and it can crush garlic without peeling. It's great for sauces, stir fries, and dressings. At about $39, you don't need to peel the garlic first. It's easy to clean, and it always makes fine, even pieces. Plus, it's built to last. If you enjoy learning about kitchen gadgets, give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Norpro Stainless Steel Meat Tenderizer Hammer. The Norpro has 2 sides, one flat and one beveled. It comes with a non-slip grip, balanced weight, and a hole to hang it up. This tool works great to pound chicken, steaks, and cutlets to make them tender. You can buy it for about $14. It gives you restaurant quality results at home. It's small but tough and easy to control. Chefs recommend it, and users say it lasts a long time. Cuisinart Advantage Ceramic Non-Stick Saute Pan. The Cuisinart has a 3-quarts capacity and can go in the oven. Its sides slope, and it has a ceramic coating without polyfluoroalkyl substances. The handle stays cool, and you can use it on induction stoves. This pan works well to make meals in one pot, sear food, and steam dishes. You can buy it for about $49. It holds heat well, lets food slide off, and allows you to cook without harmful chemicals. Chef-In Salad Dressing Emulsifier. The Chef-In Salad Dressing Emulsifier mixes dressings by hand with a battery. It holds 12 ounces and has a cap for storage. You press one button to whisk. This tool helps you make smooth dressings and vinaigrettes right away, and the mix stays blended. Costing around $19, this gadget lets you blend on the go, clean up, and make sauces without hassle whenever you need them. Bialetti Venus Immersion Espresso Maker. The Bialetti is a stovetop brewer that works like a mocha pot. It makes 4 cups, comes in aluminum, has a safety valve, and sports a comfortable handle. This maker is perfect to brew strong Italian-style coffee every day, giving you that real bold taste. At about $34, you can brew fast and use it every day for a long time, as shown by. That's it, 10 Amazon kitchen gadgets to make your cooking amazing. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.